In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your exact Snapchat follower count. So first, go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture icon from the top left corner to access your profile page. Now, go ahead and scroll down, select your public profile to view it. If you do not have your public profile, you need to go ahead, tap on your profile picture icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now from this page, tap on public profile that is beside my account in the right side. Your profile page will be switched to your public profile. And in the top, you'll see your followers count beside your username icon. Go ahead and select it. And here it will exactly show you your follower count. If your follower count is high, it might be rounded. To see the exact number, you can tap on Insights, and then it will display your precise current follower count for your Snapchat profile. And if you tap on this eye icon over here, if you're sure that you want to make it public, tap on OK, or if not, tap on Maybe Later. And this will display your precise current follower count for your Snapchat profile. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.